Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up the saving goals in DNB. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first step that you need to do is open the DNB app. Simply tap on the DNB app on your phone and log in your bank ID or biometric login. Then once you are there, what you need to do is simply tap on settings on the bottom of your screen, and then once you're inside, select create new goal or operate mark. This opens a simple wizard for setting up your saving target, and next is to enter goal details by naming your goal, example holiday 2025, and entering the target amount, how much you want to save, and the deadline and target date when you want to reach the goal, and optionally choose a color or icon to easily track it. The next is to link your current account by selecting the current account you want to use for saving, and the app can automatically transfer funds to your savings goal periodically. The next step to enable budgeting and automatic transfers. Use the budgeting feature to track income and expenses. Set up recurring transfers from your current goal to the goal account to the goal. Monitor progress in graph view or percentage completed, and the app will show a progress bar helping you stay motivated. The next step is to track and adjust by checking your goals weekly or monthly, adjusting amount of frequency if your income changes, and celebrate milestones when you reach 50%, 75%, and 100%. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.